Namaste, welcome back to Karthik's Concepts of Learning. This is Karthikeya.
And today's experiment is a continuation of the previous experiment. What you are going to do in this experiment, Karthikeya?
If an oil spilled in the ocean, the oil rises to the top. Why does the oil float on the water? Let's experiment to find out.
Okay. For that experiment, what all we need, Karthikeya?
Experiment 1, testing tube, beaker, butterfly pea powder, baking soda, cup 1 and cup 2, stirring stick, spoon and syringe.
Very good. Shall we start the experiment?
Yes. In cup 1, add 10 ml of water. Add 1 spoon, add half spoon butterfly pea powder. Mix with stirring stick. Add 10 ml of water. And 1 spoon baking soda. Take test tube from experiment 1. Slowly add butterfly pea solution. Did you see butterfly pea solution passed through oil and mixed with citric acid solution? Add using syringe few drops of cup 2 solution. Did you see? Bubbles moved up and went through the oil.
What is the science behind this is oil is less dense than water. Okay. Hence the solutions of cup 1 and cup 2 pushed through oil molecules on the top to mix with the citric acid solution. Thank you. Thank you for watching Karthik's Concepts of Learning.